Hi guys, how you doing? Here another video, this time just to give you some important information in order to give you the opportunity to know how you can prepare yourself to go to a design school or to hope to be admitted to a professional transportation design school or any design school that has an admission exam. When we try to apply for a design school, we need an entry portfolio. This is a sort of an exam to make sure that the school will choose and will select the right students that really have good talent, they have some skills, and they really need to learn to express their creativity to make a great portfolio at the end of the school course. To do so, today I'm gonna give you two important information. The first one, I have done a series of short ebooks that are very simple ABC type tutorial on which you can find the right steps to follow to start sketching cars. And then I will tell you also about some schools development.
So here we are now. I am on internet and I am on the website where I published all my ebooks. This is my page, the Auto Spotlight. It is www.lulu.com. You look for Luciano Bove and you will find my ebooks. And those are my ebooks: drawing reflections, the basic rules to put some nice reflections on your sketches. Here I'm going a little bit on details about the book, okay? Then if we go back, we can find others like sketching wheels, this one, which is done basically concentrating on wheel sketching. Then we have this one, which is the most important because this one is complete. If you buy this one, you will have everything. It's car design sketching tips version number 2. This is a new version I made 1 year ago. Here I have also car designer some tips for you, which is basically my story. How I became a car designer and what I discovered during my working experience, so you can understand what it means to be a designer, to have a career in design, and also how to understand some principle about managing people and managing projects. Here there is a photo book, and then here there is my first edition paper, car design sketching tips. I suggest always to take this one because this one is complete. Believe me, it's new. There are some friends, designers, interior and exterior, they made some really nice tutorial for me, which are published. So this is the first information. The second one, let's switch and let's go to Strate School of Design, which is the famous French design school. And this is their new website because they just opened up in India. So in India now you have a new design school which is very, very professional. This design school is in Bangalore, okay? And here you have all the information about how you can make your admission, the criteria, the courses fee, documents required, and of course where to find the school. They have all design disciplines, just like in France, okay?
So I hope that those informations are very useful for you, and check it out. Bye.